Review of Infibeam Avenues, a company in the digital payments, e-commerce software and internet services. 300 crore revenue company. Let's look at how the company has been doing in the markets. Earnings rank. Ranking is done on 742 companies. Among them, where this company ranks on earnings, it ranks at 87.3. That is just about 11 to 12% of companies that are better than Infibeam in the market today. Any stock that qualifies above 80 in ranking is worth to be in a portfolio, because above 80 stocks generally have a chance of becoming a multi-bagger. On price rank, again strong at 90.6. So both earnings and price rank, when it is above 80, that is a top rank qualifier stock, and generally they finish at the top consistently. That's what this image we have put here, a guy finishing the race successfully. Why? If we plot the price rank chart in the last 6 months, in July, Infibeam was at 92.9. Even after 6 months, it still remains at 90.6. That's the beauty. When such kind of long stay is there at the top, returns from the stocks will be phenomenal. There might be confusion that from 92.9, if the ranking goes down, how come a stock can do up? Generally, stocks that are in the top ranking run at a faster pace on price growth. We will see when we go to the charts. Coming to peer group, Infibeam doesn't have a competitor as of now. Listed competitor is not much in the market. So we have just done a study on EBITDA growth. Quarterly EBITDA growth, it was at 23% growth. Suddenly there was a jump and immediate decline. Whenever there is a big jumps that companies make, it can be mostly not from the core business. That was what something happened with this company, and it came back to normal. At the right edge, in September 2020 quarterly result, company is having minus 8% EBITDA growth. That is, compared with September 19, September 20 results, quarterly results is down 8% on the profits made between sales and expenses. Coming to TTM, September 18, it was negative at close to 10% negative growth. It went to near 300% by September 19, and afterwards it took a steady decline. At the right edge, it's at minus 13.3% EBITDA growth. That is September 20, 12 months, trailing 12 months of September 20 is 13% less than trailing 12 months of September 19 on the profits the company has made between sales and expenses. Coming to business growth, this is the net profit growth. Again, similar picture here. During 2018, there was a big spike, and after that it drops down, comes close to zero, and maintains the same level for almost 2+ years now. That's again something which very rarely happens. Companies, when they drop, they get deep down. Here, this company did not do that, and in spite of the decline, profit started going up. Sales and margins are yet to pick up. Profit yet declined, still it's holding above zero on the right edge. So company is kind of in the sleeping mode now. Looks like it will get out of slumber and start performing soon. Coming to investors, retail had been very confident in this stock. It had a big decline in 2019. In spite of that, they have been holding on to the stock, and that confidence with which they held on to the stock has given them rich rewards. In the mid of 2020, they even increased their exposure, and over coming to the right edge by September, that whatever increase they made, they have already sold and have also booked profit. That's another beauty. Retail holding on to a good stock, making profits out of it. So that is clearly showing that the overall investor population in the country on the equity markets are getting matured. This will bring more wealth into people's hands, which will bring more prosperity. Country will have even bigger growth because people will, on a large scale, have big money in their hands to spend. FIIs identified this stock and stayed invested. they have also made very good returns, and also they have been increasing their exposure as the stock is picking up speed. Let's look at how the speed has been while we go to the charts. This was a young sibling in the market, so we don't have a monthly chart for Infibeam. Pre-COVID itself, the stock trended well. It had a hit because of COVID. Then after that, strength again continued. We are seeing a ATM pattern. ATM pattern is anytime money pattern. What comes from that? So we have put a green arrow here, 2 green arrows and 2 red arrows. Green arrow is where the stock came for a buy in September 19. After that, again, it had a trade closure just before COVID challenges came in the market, and immediately after the lockdowns got over, stock comes up again, gives another buying opportunity, and that buying opportunity just closed as we are doing this review with fantastic gains. So we have seen on the ranking chart from 92.9 to 90.9, yet stock has made a journey from 55 to 86, nearly 60% growth in spite of ranking staying at the same level. That is the beauty. When ranks go above 80, stocks just fly in their price. At the right edge, stock has just hit the stop loss and has moved out. The stop loss can be in our system, others can be holding the stock also. What we told as ATM was, whenever price comes into the zone, this black and orange lines is a zone, value zone for the stocks. When stocks comes into the value zone, it is bouncing back. So far it has given 2 winning opportunities, and now again it has come back. This stock has a continuation pattern on the charts. Looks like it will continue for some more time on the upside. So there is more and more opportunities coming to make short-term money, as well as holding the stock for long-term also will give big benefits. So one can benefit from Infibeam's upside move in the coming months, or can be even a few years also if the trend continues. All views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Here we have discussed about ATM feature in the stock. Use your judgment, learn about where it will be the right space to buy and where to exit, because ATM opportunities, that is short swing trades that can come, will stay for very, very short period, between 7 to 10 days, and returns will be far higher than holding a stock for long term. You need to be very clear on your risk management to make big money from swing trades. Thank you.